to do head cleaning of Epson L360, and we have easy steps to follow, so let's do it. Okay, first open up a file, either in Word file or Excel file, okay, that you would like to print. After that, click Ctrl P. Now click Properties, this one. Next, click Maintenance, this one. Next, click this head cleaning icon, this one. But since I'm not connected to my printer right now, I need to be connected to continue this process. So allow me to go to my printer now to connect it to my laptop. Okay, there. So I'm already connected. I will press OK. Then let me click this icon again for head cleaning. Click. Start. And just need to wait because head cleaning in progress. Okay, so the cleaning cycle is finished. To verify that the cleaning was effective, clean, print nozzle, check pattern. So let's click this one. Now let's print to check. Now our goal is to have this result, this one, the good result. Okay, as I'm checking my printout, I got a good result. So this is the one that I'm looking for. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful. Thank you so much for watching. See you later.